Here's question 11. It says this figure represents line segments painted on a parking lot to create parking spaces. They're coming at an angle. Which equation can be used to show that these line segments are parallel? Now notice it doesn't end up giving us any measurements here. It's giving us some type of equation. Now if they are parallel, I know this is going to come out to be 118, and this right here is going to be 62. But it doesn't ask us that. It simply says which equation can be used to show us that these line segments are parallel. Now you could come in here and go, oh, 118 minus W, 62 equals X. That would be true. Notice if I used 62 and 118. Notice 118 minus X, which we said was 118, would that come out to equal W? No, that equation definitely wouldn't be true. Here's X, which we say was 62, plus 118 is going to equal 180. That one is true also. And then finally, W plus 118, this is true also right here. Actually, X, I apologize. Wasn't paying attention. I was looking at the W. X plus 118, 118 plus 118 equals 180. That is not true. Sorry about that. So it's either A or D. Now, which one of these has to be true? Now, let's say we're not really sure. What do we know if two things are parallel? What are the rules we've learned are always true? Well, if you notice if these, imagine this line continuing a little bit, and this is your transversal. You learn that this angle and this angle are on the interior of those parallel lines. And we learned that these consecutive interior angles must add up to 180 degrees. They must be supplementary, which is what right down here we have being said. Choice D, it's saying, hey, this W and the 118 must be supplementary. This will automatically be true no matter whether the lines were parallel or not. Because if W, let's pretend W came out to be 50 and X then would have to be 130. Because maybe it was tilted and the lines weren't parallel. Notice if you do 118 minus 50, are you going to get the 130? No. So what happens is that's not going to be true. So we're going with choice D for problem number 11.